Hi, I'm Dr. Karyn Halpern. I'm here at the Greater New York Dental Meeting. I practice on Long Island, and I've been practicing for about 16 years. I'm a general dentist, and I just wanted to share my experience with LiSi Press. I started using LiSi Press when it was first released. It's a beautiful, highly aesthetic, strong ceramic. It has since become my go-to ceramic. It's what I prescribe from my lab technician, and I am just extremely thrilled with the clinical results that I'm getting. It's very easy to use on single unit cases. It's highly aesthetic. It's easy to match tough cases. I use it for veneers. I use it for crown and bridge, and I also love it for implant restorations. It maintains its gloss, its finish, and it's very natural and extremely lifelike. I highly recommend it. It is absolutely beautiful.